In this video, we'll show you how to uninstall and reinstall the balances on a side load window. Please view our previous video, installing a sash on a side load window, for additional details on sash removal. Once the sash has been removed from the frame, you should see the balances on each side of the window frame. Begin by firmly holding the bottom of the balance. Then, with the opposite hand, grasp the top of the balance and disengage the balance from the silver takeout clip. Hold the balance firmly, as it may have tension that could result in an injury if the balance is not held tightly. While firmly holding the balance, rotate the balance towards the center of the window. The balance is attached with a clip near the center of the window, which is inserted into the window frame. This clip should be removed, and this will allow the balance to be taken out of the window. To install a new balance, the operation is done in reverse order. First, verify that the new balance is the same length as the old one. Next, insert the clip into the window frame, while holding the balance firmly with both hands. With one hand at the top of the balance and one at the bottom, push down on the balance. The balance will have tension on it, so hold the balance tightly. While rotating the balance towards the side jamb of the window, lower the balance into the jamb. Position the top of the balance below the silver takeout clip, and then insert the top of the balance under the takeout clip. The takeout clip will hold the balance in place until the sash can be reinserted into the window frame. Follow the instructions for removing and inserting a sash into a side load window from the other video as needed.